Using Bitget. For example, for this tutorial, good day, good morning, good afternoon, it's your coach Rich Erondo. So when you come to Bitget, you see overview sports feature, you just go to N. I'm already in the N. Then you look at simple and wealth management on chain crypto loans. That one doesn't concern us for now. We are looking at simple N, how to make profit with your crypto instead of lying dormant to be getting interest. You click on simple N as I've clicked it now to bring us savings. So this savings is with interest, yeah. So right now, the savings, let me say I have 7.64 USD for example. This savings now I can click and have 3% to 13% per year. Is return on investment per year. APR. APR means they calculate it per year and give it per day, each day. Or there is a types of savings, or there is this all flexible. You can put it flexible. So I click the flexible. You see USD 3% to 13%. That's APR. That's what they calculate per year, and they'll be giving you monthly. If you leave it for 1 year, let me say the USDT will give you between that 3%, they rotate to 13% of your original for leaving it, for saving it for 1 year with them. 13%. If it's 1,000, you calculate the 13%. If it's 100 years, you calculate that. So it will not be dormant. So it's not only USD, BGB is here, Pi is here, Fatcoin, Dodge, USDC, anyone you want to save. Do flexible. Flexible means it must not reach to a year. Before 1 year, within 3 days, 1 week, 5 days, in there you need your coin, or the coin rises in price, you can redeem it. That is, you bring it out of that savings and sell it because it's flexible. But another method is fixed. See it fixed. I click on fixed. Then you select. The first one, fixed, is only for VIP people. There are people that have VIP. They have 4 to 4.20% in USDT. Then other coins, BGB, BTC, Ethereum. You see the percentages, and they are fixed. Let me use BGB as a example of the fixed savings. When I click it now, BGB, for example, I want to save my BGB. And this one is fixed because you cannot remove it. Yes, you see 1.50% flexible, 1.70% they will give me for 7 days. I click on 7 days. If I want to save my BGB for 7 days, within that 7 days I can never withdraw it, no matter the fluctuation of BGB. If it rise or fall, it's under their custody. I have locked it or fixed it for 7 days, but guaranteed they will be giving me my 1.70% interest per year. They calculate it for 7 days and give you, depending on the quantity you save or you are keeping for the 7 days. Then this next one is 2%, 14 days. For 2 weeks, if I save my BGB for 2 weeks to 2%, that means if it is $200 to 2% of $200, they calculate per year and give it within the 2 weeks. If it's $2,000, the money will, your profit will be more. So the higher the capital, the more you see the percentage reflect in this saved. So you can click it to auto renewal. That means as it's bringing out the profit, it's also fixing it or saving it. Or you can leave it, like if I click it, there is auto renewal enabled. You can remove it. So that's how to make your crypto work for you. Then you will click I have read and agreed to the Bitget savings agreement. You click here. Then you click subscribe. As you click subscribe, they have fees my BGB for 14 days or 7 days. Or if you want flexible means anytime you need it, but it will start counting from 24 hours. You will redeem it and your crypto will come out. You can now sell it or convert it to USDT and sell it. So briefly, that's how you can save your crypto to be giving you profit on passive without you trading it or working with it. Just leave it there for a while. That's it. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Comment, like, share this video. If this is your first time of watching my YouTube channel, subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you. I'm your coach and your brother Rich Erondo. God bless you. So I'm stopping here for now so it won't be too long. That's simple ways of earning money through crypto without risk. Thank you.